Hello, in this tutorial, we're going to compare between Acorns Invest versus M1 Finance. This is pretty much going to be interesting. Now, Acorns Invest versus M1 Finance. Ooh. So whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to refine your strategy, this comparison will help you choose the platform that aligns with your financial goals. Let's go ahead. So let's first of all look into Acorns Invest. Now, Acorns Invest is simplified automated investing. Acorns is designed for beginners seeking a hands-off approach to investing. Its standout feature, which is roundups, automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases into diversified ETF portfolios. Now, this micro investing strategy makes it easy to start building wealth without significant upfront capital. Now, here are the key features. Number one, automated investing has pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance. It has the roundups feature, which automatically invests spare change from linked debit or credit card transactions. It has recurring contributions, which sets daily, weekly, monthly investment schedules. We have Acorns Earn, we earn bonus investments when shopping with over 12,000 partner brands. We have educational resources. We have access to financial literacy tools and articles. Now let's go over the fees. For fees, for Acorns, number one, you have the personal plan, which costs just $3 per month. This includes investment, retirement, and checking accounts. You have the personal plus plan, which is $5 per month, which adds features like custom portfolios and priority support. And you have premium plan, which is $9 per month, which offers everything in personal plus investment accounts for kids, estate planning, and more. Acorns Invest is ideal for new investors seeking automated, low maintenance investing. It's ideal for individuals interested in micro investing and building habits. It's ideal for those looking for integrated banking and investing solutions. Now, let's walk you through features for M1 Finance. M1 Finance is an advanced trading platform for active investors. M1 Finance caters to active traders and those who prefer a hands-on approach. Offering a comprehensive suite of tools, M1 Finance provides real-time market data, advanced charting, and the ability to trade a variety of assets. Let's go ahead and walk you through the key features. Number one, it has commission-free trading. You can trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency without fees. Advanced tools, we have access to technical indicators, customizable charts and real-time data, has extended hours trading where you can trade before and after regular market hours. It has an office-based paper trading where you get to practice strategies with virtual funds. It offers margin accounts where you can leverage your investments with borrowed funds. For fees, no monthly fees. It offers commission-free trades and optional margin trading with applicable interest rates. This M1 Finance is ideal for experienced investors and active traders. It's ideal for individuals interested in technical analysis and real-time data. It's ideal for those looking to trade a variety of asset classes, including cryptocurrencies. In summary, Acorns Invest is perfect for those starting out or preferring a set it and forget it strategy, while M1 Finance suits the hands-on investor seeking advanced tools and a broad range of assets. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.